You can do one-tap enhance. And this goes beyond just red eye removal, but will actually pull things out of the shadow, improve skin tones, and just generally make your photo look better. So some great enhancements to photos and camera. Next up is Game Center. Game Center has only been out for about a year, and it's been a huge hit. We already have more than 67 million people signed up using Game Center. But we're making it even better. We're adding photos so you can see your friends. We're adding achievement points so you can compare how you're doing against your friends. We're giving friend recommendations so you can find other people to play games with and against. And game recommendations. So it's easier to find that new game that you didn't know about, but you're going to love it. And there's more. And that's Game Center. Next up, Safari. Now, I showed you the stats earlier on how popular Safari is. And so we want to make it even better. And we've added a number of things. One is Reader. You see up top, there's this new Reader button. When you tap on that button, we take the story on the web page you're currently on, and we format it perfectly for that device. We get rid of all the extraneous information. We set the font size right. Even if it's a multi-page story, it's all loaded so you can just scroll through it and read it. This works great on the iPad. It's fantastic on the iPhone. Just sets everything nice and easy for you to read the story. Now, if you don't have time to read the story right now, just add it to the reading list. There's another new feature. And you can come back and read it later. And the reading list syncs between your iOS devices. And so you could add it on the iPad, then later go back and read it on your iPhone. This next feature is one of my favorites, and it's tab browsing. We have added full tab browsing to the iPad. And it makes it really easy to quickly switch between websites, compare them. And I have to say, it's changed the way that I browse the web now on my iPad. So some great enhancements to Safari. Next up is Mail. We've made Mail better in a number of ways. We've added rich text formatting, so you can set bold, italic, underline, control the indentation, drag addresses between the to, CC, and BCC. You can flag messages. In addition to searching the from, to, and subject, you can now search the entire body of a message, including messages back on the server that aren't even on your iPhone. And for the iPad, we have a nice one where you can just swipe to get to the inbox very quickly in Portrait and dismiss it. It's really nice. So some nice enhancements to Mail. Next up is PC free. Now, it used to be the case that to own an iOS device, you had to own a computer, because the first thing you had to do is plug into a computer. But we have a lot of customers that they just want to buy an iPhone or an iPad as their only device. And that is now possible with iOS 5. Now, when you take it out of the box, it looks like this. You set it up, and you're good to go. There's no need for a computer. And we've gone beyond that. We've added support for wireless updates. And so now you can stay up to date on the most recent software without using a computer. You can do it all wirelessly. And that is PC free. And again, these are just 10 of the more than 200 new features that come with iOS 5. iOS 5 will support the iPhone 3GS and the iPhone 4, the iPad 2, and the third and fourth generation iPod Touch. iOS 5 is a free update and will be available on October 12th next week. And that is iOS 5. To walk you through iCloud, I'd like to invite up Eddie Q. Eddie.
Thanks, Scott. It's great to have everyone here at Apple today, and I want to talk to you about iCloud. So iCloud stores your content and wirelessly pushes it to all of your devices. We've integrated it right into our apps so that everything happens automatically. So let's say I'm on my iPhone, for example, and I take a photo. iCloud saves it right to our cloud and automatically pushes it to all of our devices. There's no syncing. There's nothing new to learn. It just works. And iCloud is free. So let's start by talking about music, photos, and documents. First, iTunes in the cloud. So over a third of the music we sell on the iTunes Store is purchased directly on iOS devices. This means our music is now on multiple devices and keeping it in sync can be frustrating. Well, now when I'm on my iPad in the iTunes store, I'm looking at the Beatles 1 album, and I buy it. It starts downloading to my iPad, but at the same time, it also downloads to my iPhone, and it downloads to iTunes on my Mac and PC. There's no syncing. It's that simple. But what if I want to listen to a song on my iPhone that I previously purchased on iTunes, but it's not on this device? Well, I can go to the new purchased area in the iTunes store, and I can see a list of all of the albums and songs that I previously purchased. And with just a tap of one button, I can download any of them at no additional cost. Now, this works exactly the same way for TV shows. I can see all the TV shows that I previously purchased, all the episodes, and I can watch any of them at no additional cost. I can even watch them right on my Apple TV. And that's iTunes in the cloud. Next, we've done something really remarkable with photos. A lot of us are taking all of our photos on our iPhone. It's always with us. The photos look gorgeous. But these photos are now in your camera roll, and you wish they were on all your devices. Well, with PhotoStream, all I do is take my photo on my iPhone, like I do today, and it's automatically saved to iCloud and pushed to all your devices. Here it is on my iPad. We've built it right into the Photos app in a new album called PhotoStream. So now that photo that I just took on my iPhone, I can see right on my iPad. And it even downloads right to iPhoto on my Mac. And I can see it on Apple TV. And that's PhotoStream. Next, documents in the cloud. So iOS revolutionized the way we manage our documents because we don't have to. Apps manage them for us. Well, documents in the cloud makes this even better. Because now when I create a new document, say on Pages on my iPad, it's automatically saved and stored in iCloud. So when I launch Pages on my iPhone, the document is right there. And I can open it and start editing right where I left off. My documents are updated across my devices. We also have a set of APIs available so that apps can store their documents in the cloud. As a matter of fact, we use those APIs to build documents in the cloud into Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. And all of them are available as a free update on iOS. If you don't have any of them, you can buy them on the App Store for $9.99. And they're available on October 12th. And that's documents in the cloud. So iCloud, it includes iTunes in the cloud, PhotoStream, documents in the cloud, but it's a whole lot more than that. Just like music, when you purchase an app on one device, it's automatically downloaded to all of your devices. And you can go to the purchased area and see all of the apps that you previously purchased, and you can download any of them at no additional cost. Like apps and music, books works exactly the same way. You buy a book on your iPad, you start reading it, you go to your iPhone, and you open the same book and start reading right where you left off. Another feature of iCloud is backup. iCloud does a daily backup of your most important data from your iOS devices. So when you get a new device, you can easily restore it right from iCloud. Contacts, updated across all your devices. Add a new contact, change a phone number on one device, it's updated on all your devices. Calendars work exactly the same way. Your calendars are updated across all your devices. You can even share calendars with other iCloud users. Mail, you get an ad-free me.com mail account that pushes mail to all of your devices. Find My iPhone is also a part of iCloud. It lets you easily locate your iPhone, your iPad, and your iPod Touch. And now it even lets you locate your Mac. Now, Find My iPhone is really great, but what if you could find your family and friends? Well, today we're announcing a new app called Find My Friends. And when you launch it, you see a list of your family and friends that are sharing their location with you. So now when I'm in Disneyland, for example, I can easily see where my family is. I can even see if my son made it to school okay today. I'm sure that wasn't him. Now that's great, but sometimes you just want to share your location for just a few hours or a day. Well, creating a temporary event is really easy. Let's say I'm going to have a picnic at the beach. I'm going to invite 3 of my friends to share their location with me, but I'm going to say that location sharing ends on Saturday at 7 p.m. So now when we get to the beach, we can easily find each other throughout the day, but at the end of the day, location sharing just stops automatically. So find my friends. Easily locate your friends and family. Temporary sharing option. Simple privacy controls, so you can turn off your location sharing with just one switch. And parental restrictions, so that parents can restrict their kids from turning off Find My Friends. And they can decide who follows them. And that's Find My Friends, and all of this is part of iCloud. iCloud is free for iOS 5 users and macOS 10 Lion users. It comes with unlimited free storage for your purchased music, TV shows, apps, and books, and 5 gigabytes for your mail, documents, and backup. Now that's plenty of room for most people, but if you want more, you can easily upgrade right on the device. Now, a really great add-on to iCloud is called iTunes Match. And before the iTunes Music Store, we acquired our music in a lot of different ways. CDs, for example. What if we could give all of that music the same benefits as the music purchased from iTunes? Well, in order to do that, we've got to get all that music to iCloud. Well, it turns out it's probably already there, because as Tim told you, we have the largest music store in the world with over 20 million songs. So rather than take every song in your iTunes Music library and upload it to iCloud, which could take weeks, we'll scan and match each song against the 20 million songs already in iCloud. And the few that we don't find, we'll upload. This means your iTunes Music library is now in iCloud, and we can do some really great things. Let's say you've got an iPad here and there's no music on it. I go in and I turn on iTunes Match, and now I can see my whole iTunes Music library, every single song. And I can stream any song by just tapping on it. But it's even better than that. I see all of my playlists. I can edit a playlist or create a new playlist, and those are automatically updated across all my devices. So iTunes Match, it scans and matches your library against our 20 million songs. We'll upload what we don't find. We'll stream any song, album, or playlist. We'll cache the songs you listen to most right on your device. And for match songs, we'll upgrade them to our iTunes Pristine quality. And you get all of this for just $24.99 a year. And that's iTunes Match. So iCloud, it's an amazing and comprehensive set of cloud services, including contacts, calendars, mail, cloud, backup, iTunes in the cloud, photo stream, documents in the cloud, apps, books, Find My iPhone, and Find My Friends, and that's iCloud. iCloud will ship on October 12th, the same day as iOS 5. iTunes Match ships at the end of the month in the US, and we're working very hard to add additional countries before the end of the year. Now, we've created a short video that shows how iCloud makes your life easier every day, and I'd like to show it to you now.
With iCloud, when you buy a song on one device, it instantly downloads to all your others. Take a picture here, and it shows up there. Start a project in one place, and pick up right where you left off in another. Capture the moment here, and it's waiting for you there. Make a change on this, and updates on that.